This client right here, he looks like Pee Wee Herman, but don't tell him I said that. He did not want to trim on top, so we're just wetting the top. We're just dampening the top so that we can blow dry it and style it to his natural hairstyle. So now we are drying his hair with the blow dryer and a brush, making sure his hair is fully dry and making sure that his haircut is styled the way he wears it when he combs it. Now that it's nice and dry, we will comb it to its natural position so that when we go over it with the guards, the hair will be in place to get trimmed. Right now we're using the number 6 guard. Now the back. Make sure you don't go too high. Debulk the sides, the back, all around. Make sure you don't miss a spot. Now we're using our Cocoa detailers to start our initial skin guideline. We're doing a low fade, so we are starting the guideline below the ears and over the arch of the ears. Hey, but what you guys think? You think he looks like Pee Wee Herman? Blah, da, da. So now we are doing the same thing to the other side. Make sure you do not press too hard on the client's skin so that you don't cut them or irritate them. Now you are going to get rid of all the hair below the initial skin guideline so that you can go over it with the balders. We are going over the balders, the Babyless balders. Comment below, what balders do you use for your haircuts? I'm curious. Comment below. Blah da da. Make sure you do not miss one hair. Blah da da. Now we are using the clipper, lever open. We are doing a 1/4 inch increment, and as we're going over and towards the back of the head, we are stretching the guide up to 1/2 inch width. On the other side. Blah da da. Use your finger to put the ear down when going over the ear. Next, number 1 guard, clipper, lever open. As you're going towards the back of the head, make sure you are doing 1/2 inch increments. And since it's a low fade, same thing to the other side. Blah da da. Now, time to fade the bottom line. Clipper, lever closed. Go up 1/4 inch increments. Keep it tight. Don't go too high since we're doing a low fade. Blah da da. 1/4 inch open. Make sure you pull that ear down. Just go over it multiple times. This guy did not want a front lineup. He said he has a big forehead, so leave the hair covering that big forehead so he doesn't have to salute to the sky. Blah da da. 1/4 inch increments until the lever is completely open, and play around with the lever. Detail your work, open, close. Lever now all the way open. Next, 1/16 guard, clipper, lever open. Close lever halfway down and repeat the same steps. Don't go too high so you do not create another line. Blah da da. Next, 1.5 guard. Clipper lever open. Stay within your guards. Stay within your sections. Blah da da. Close the lever halfway down. Blah da da. Next, we will blend the sides of the fade with the sides of the hair. With the clipper lever open, this is called the clipper over comb technique. This is where you're sculpting the haircut. Do not go in too far. Make sure you are just cutting enough of the hair to give it a smooth transition. Next, apply some hairspray. Do the same thing on the back of the head. Blah da da. Comment below. One 1/16 guard. Follow the same steps. Start with the lever open and then close it halfway down, and then play with the lever in case you need to close it more, open it more. Like, just play with it. It's called the detail work. One and a half guard in the back. Do the same thing as you did on the sides. Blah da da. Clipper over comb technique. Make sure you're sculpting the back of the head. Give it that nice shape. Don't go in too high, don't go in too far. Give it that nice sculpt. Next, C cup. I'm using my cocoa trimmers to do the C cup. Blah da da. Pee Wee Herman did not want any enhancements, so we kept this haircut nice and natural. Blah da da. You think he looks like Pee Wee Herman? Comment below. Just don't tell him I said that. Blah. He said he wanted to keep it nice and natural, so I just hit him with the hairspray. Blah da da. Hey, but he loved the haircut. This is my boy right here. All jokes aside, appreciate you guys for tapping in. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Blah da da.